Anytime a fine tooth comb can glide through a synthetic wig, do I even need to say anymore? Make sure y'all go shop. Link below. And use my discount code, okay, sis? Because look at that. Y'all, I would have never thought, like, literally, I'm sitting here rocking a whole 22-inch blonde wig. Like, A to Z, y'all did y'all thing.
My personality, maybe because I got a nigga mentality. I'm trying to make $1 million my salary. I might have took an L, but I'm pretty sure nobody could tell. It took me a while to come up on my shell. At least I could say I did it with no help.
Now, sis, if you're looking for an affordable 613 wig, you came to the right place. Your girl is finna tell y'all about this blonde unit that was sent to me by A to Z Wigs. And I'm gonna also give y'all a coupon code, which is my first and last name all together, no caps. I'm gonna put it on the screen where y'all can get 20% off. I'm gonna leave the link to shop ATOZWigs.com. Not to mention, she's 22 inches. Like, get into her. About to get into it though, okay? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Keandra, back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to be doing yet another hair review. And this time I will be reviewing, ta-da! I'm gonna be reviewing a blonde wig, which is like, that's a big step. But your girl was like, why not? A to Z reached out to me and they wanted to send me this hair to review for you guys, this blonde unit. So I said, why not? Because I would never actually buy 613 hair unless I was coloring it. So this is the packaging. The back is a hot pink color. The front is clear, and they just have A to Z on it. This is 100% Kanekalon hair, so it is a synthetic unit. And in the bag, you will receive a paper, and it says A to Z, and it just has like a note in here, and then some wigs. You will also get a like weaving cap and another card that has their social media on there, and another note. So it has their Facebook page on here and everything, and how you can win like cash back. Now let's get into this wig, sis, because that's what we really here for. So your wig will come in this like bag right here, and then it'll also come in inside of a net. Y'all, I don't know how this gonna turn out, but I don't know. I hope it turned out good. So I'm gonna take it out this net. I have not opened the package since I received it. The shipping was very fast, but okay. This hair is really thick, like, wow. Like this unit, you getting a nice amount of hair. Like, you see this ponytail? Okay. It doesn't feel too bad either for it to be synthetic hair. Let's focus in on the wig, okay? So this is what it looks like straight out the package. And I really like this lace. This lace is like really nice. So this is what the lace looks like on the unit. And this is what the hairline is looking like. I'm gonna go in and pluck it. It don't look half bad though. And this is a 13x6 frontal. You getting a nice amount of parting, which I really like. Like, look at all of that. I like that. On the inside, this is what it looks like. The wig is constructed really nice. And then you get only 3 combs. You get one at the top, right here, 2 on the sides, and an adjustable strap. No comb in the back. So let me get a brush real quick. So I'm gonna brush this out. And since it's synthetic hair, you are gonna get tangling, a little tangling, and you are gonna get shedding. So I'm brushing it out now, and I'm only getting like a few little snags at the bottom of the hair, but nothing too bad. Not a brush, it's gliding, honey. It's gliding through the hair. Okay, and this is how much shedding. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm gonna take it out, but I got a few strands in my brush from brushing it out. Nothing. It ain't just like a massive amount to the point where it's like, oh no, like that's bearable, and it's synthetic hair. So I'm very curious to see what I'm gonna look like in this blonde unit. So I will be installing this wig, and then I'm gonna come back to talk about it and give y'all more details about it. But other than that, I like it so far. It's pretty soft for it to be synthetic. So I'm gonna install her or whatever, and I'm gonna come back. Hey y'all, so this is what the hairline is looking like. I went in and plucked it a little bit. I'm gonna try it on, but I'm loving. Do y'all see how much parting y'all get? And do y'all see this lace? Like, yes. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. And sis, I look like a whole new person. Like, I think I need a new name. Like, Keandra's not gonna cut it. Like, I'm a whole new person, y'all. Who would have ever thought that your girl could pull off blonde the way she pulling it off, though? Like, y'all, when I tell y'all I'm feeling myself, I done had a whole photo shoot and everything. Sweetheart, I'm feeling myself, okay, honey? So basically, since y'all saw me, I plucked the wig. This is how much I plucked out of it. Not much at all. I just plucked it a little bit. Then I went ahead and did the ball cap method. I used my Black Radiance foundation. Use this, and I put it all over my ball cap as well as the inside of the lace. And sis, look at that. Then I put the wig on. I cut it, and then I laid the lace. I laid it down with my Got2Be Glued freeze spray, and then I added some baby hairs with the Got2Be Glued gel and the black tube, and I tied my scarf down. And sis, that's literally all I did. Like, this hair is bomb. I did get a little bit of shedding, but that's expected. It's a synthetic wig. But other than that, I really love this wig. I also flat ironed it. And sis, now me, synthetic wigs and flat irons, we don't really mix. But with this wig, when I tell you, I went in with that flat iron, and it flat iron, like, this hair took the heat like a champ. Do you hear me? Look at this hair. How flat and just how straight it got. And I only did 1 to 2 passes. Yeah. I'm really feeling this hair. So I would definitely recommend this wig, especially to girls like me who are like scared to try 613 hair. This is a very affordable like dupe for some 613 like version bundles, and I would have never bought no 613 like actual bundles unless I planned on dyeing them, which I don't really like. This is my first time stepping out on a crazy color. The only color that I did is like a burgundy. It was like a deep burgundy color. So this was big for me, but I really like it. Like, It just got me feeling like a whole new person. Like, Kendra, who? Yes, y'all, this was my review on the A to Z wig. Again, I'm gonna leave all the stuff y'all need to know in the description box. Make sure y'all shop with them and buy this wig. Like, just go ahead. It's only $34 and you get 20% off of my discount code. Again, I'm gonna put it on the screen, so make sure when you check out you use my discount code to get 20% off your order. But y'all, stay tuned for my next video because I plan on dyeing this wig. Dyeing a synthetic wig. Is it possible? Subscribe and hit that bell for post notifications to find out, so y'all can stay tuned and watch that video, because I'm not done with this wig yet, sis, okay? I don't even know if I want to dye it, y'all. Comment what color you think I'm gonna dye it, if I do dye it. Because I kind of like her. Like, I'm liking her. And I didn't even think I would like this blonde wig, y'all. But this wig is bomb. And it's so affordable. Anyways, if y'all like what y'all saw, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to shop ATOZWIG.com and use my discount code to get extra money off your purchase. And with that being said, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell. Comment video suggestions down below or comment anything you want. Thank you again, A to Z Wigs, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.